Hi there, Andrew here. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use VizPeople In Motion products inside Adobe After Effects. Let's start with loading all necessary files into After Effects library. At the beginning, load full resolution background image into a new project. Simply drag background image into Create a new composition icon. Take care for frame rate of your composition at this point. If you like to work with 30 frames per second of any order, you can simply change it in composition setting. Now let's prepare first character. Create new composition from character diffuse footage and drag corresponding alpha map on top of diffuse layer. Set track of diffuse layer as Luma Mate. Let's go back to main background composition and simply drag character composition in. Repeat that process for all characters and remain composition for better recognition. Also, remember to save your project from time to time. It's recommended to move anchor point so we can operate easily. Now we can position and scale characters for desired scene situation. Since one of our characters is walking, we need to animate its layer. Let's match duration of animation with character's footsteps. I'm using RAM Preview for preview. It's good time for making fast color corrections to all characters. I'm using curves, color balance, and hue and saturation effects to match characters' footage to environment. When adjustments are done, it's a good idea to create reflections and shadows. For reflections, I simply duplicating character's layer and modifying it by curves, transform, and fast blur effects. I'm decreasing opacity of reflection layer for natural look. To create small ambient shadow, I'm going into character composition and pre-composing its layers. Next, I'm duplicating pre-composed layer and drawing mask in place where shoes are touching ground. Now I'm adding fast blur effect and slightly shifting whole duplicated layer down. This scene is quite bright. In this situation, it's good to prepare light wrap for characters. Here is how to do that without plugins. Duplicate main background composition. Delete all spare layers and leave only background and characters layers. In every character layer, remove all effects and add exposure effect with offset value set to 1. Add solid black layer and pre-compose it with all characters layers. Set pre-composed layer blending mode to multiply and invert its colors. In main background layer, add black and white and curves effects and shift levels. Next, duplicate pre-composed layer and add adjustment layer with fast blur. Remove invert effect from top pre-composed layer and it's done. Finally, just add light wrap layer to main background and set its blending mode to lighten. As you probably notice, reflections from walking woman need to be removed in some places. The easiest way to do this is to create cover mask in Photoshop. Just add it to composition and we are done. Composition is ready, but I would like to export it as Full HD presentation. I'm creating new Full HD composition and creating simple animation with main background. Quick look with RAM preview and we are ready to export final movie. Thank you for watching and I hope this tutorial will be helpful. See you next time.